So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I created this eye look right here. And I only use the new James Charles palette, so I'm super excited because I actually really love the neutrals in this palette as well as I love the colors. So I'm just going to get straight into it. I don't want to make this a long intro at all. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. So the very first thing I'm doing is priming my lids with this Morphe translucent primer. And I'm just going to apply that with my fingers. First, we're going in with the color Tune. Okay, so I'm going to start with the color Tune, and I'm just going to apply that to the crease of my eyes. And I have a little bit of glitter from a previous eye look I did. Glitter is like impossible to get rid of. And I'm going in windshield wiper motions and in circular motions. And I'm really just diffusing in that color. And then we're going in with the color 10% Off. Okay, so I'm dipping my brush into 10% Off, and I'm going very lightly into the crease, and I'm just kind of blending that out. And I'm going to blend 10% into Tune. Okay, so keep on blending the color 10% Off into your crease and kind of bring it in a little bit right here. And feel free to take a lot of time blending. You can bring it out right here and diffuse it out a bit. We're gonna go in with No Beans into the outer crease right here with the same brush. So with the color No Beans, I'm really just gonna apply it right in the outer V right here. And right here, I'm going in like a windshield wiper motion, but I'm really just focusing on the outer V right here. And I'm just really deepening that color. So go ahead and grab a little bit more of No Beans and just really tap into this area right here and press in that pigment. And then later we can go ahead and diffuse it. So if you see, I'm kind of blending the product upwards. And then we're going in with the color Code James. And I'm gonna bring Code James all the way from my inner corner to out here. Okay, so now I'm grabbing the shade Spooky, and I'm grabbing a Morphe M507 brush, kind of like a small tapered brush. And I'm gonna apply Spooky into my inner corner and my outer corner. I'm going to apply this to the outer V right here. And I'm kind of going like sideways when I'm applying this and really packing it in. So the black in this palette is actually really nice. So I'm applying this right here in the inner corner, and if you can tell, I'm taking a lot of time to really blend this out. Kind of going in circular motions, bringing it up a bit, and I'm not really going to make it connect because I'm going to add a little bit of gold shimmer here. Okay, so now I'm just kind of buffing out this black eyeshadow out here and bringing it out. I am going to create a wing afterwards, so don't worry too much about it. But we just want this to look really good and blended, so just go in circular motions and bring it out. I just want to add a little bit of concealer towards the middle so I can kind of get the middle to be a little bit sticky and tacky to apply my gold eyeshadow. Alright, so I'm dipping my brush into Wig, and I'm gonna use a little bit of setting spray as well. Just applying Wig right here into the inner corner and sort of bringing it up. Now I'm dipping into So Good, and I'm wetting my brush again, and I'm taking kind of this tiny brush, and now I'm applying So Good on top of Wig. And I feel like applying like a shimmery shade on top of another is really going to make this look really dimensional. I'm going to go in with Ring Light right on top. So I'm going to use the end of my brush right here to kind of like make this look a little bit more perfect. Alright, so I'm going to bring that same brush that I used to apply the black, and I'm going to kind of like make it blend in with the gold a little bit more. And when I do this, I'm going in like very small circular motions. So I'm kind of blending the two edges together so it looks a little bit more seamless. So I'm going to grab the end of my brush and kind of go about right here. Okay, so now I'm grabbing a little bit of Ring Light, and I'm adding that to the inner corner right here. Alright you guys, so I just went off camera really quickly and added concealer underneath my eyes and kind of cleaned up the area. I went in with my brush, I made sure to wet it one more time, and I went in with the color So Good. And I just went into my lower lash line right here. And now I'm grabbing the short shader brush from Sigma in E20, and I'm grabbing the color Spooky. And I'm just adding it into my lower lash line right here, kind of connecting it up here as well. I'm going to do the same right here. And I'm going to get pretty close to my lash line and my waterline. So now I'm going in with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil and Milk, and I'm applying that to my waterline. So I prefer to use a white in my waterline just because I feel like it makes your eyes look a little bit bigger. Alright you guys, so now I'm going to create a wing using this gel liner from Maybelline. Alright, so a little trick that I do to make my black liner last all night is I usually go in with a matte black eyeshadow. So I'm going to dip the same brush into Spooky, and I'm going to go over the line I just created. And I'm going to tap, tap, tap on top. Okay, so now I'm going in with the Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced. Alright you guys, so this is what it looks like just with mascara on. I'm going to go ahead and add some lashes. These right here are from e.l.f. So once the glue gets really tacky, I'm going to go ahead and apply them. Okay, so now I've applied my false lashes, so I'm feeling alive again. So I'm going to go ahead with Ring Light, and I'm going to apply that into my outer brow bone right up here. And I'm using this really, really small brush. And I'm just focusing on the outer brow bone. I don't really bring it in all the way. I literally just apply it right here. Alright you guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Definitely let me know in the comments below what else you guys would like to see, and I will definitely keep creating more videos for you guys because I actually really enjoy creating these like little beauty tutorials of just my eye. So definitely comment below if you guys want to see anything else. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at beautybydreav. Make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.